Yeah. Grandpa's got to bend over.
I think so.
Yeah, you do. Come on. Yep, come on. Let's go, Grandpa.
Yep. Go ahead, Grandpa.
We gotta do
Wait.
it first.
He did it. Yeah, you gotta do it.
Oh.
Just pull your legs up.
Yeah. I'm not doing it.
There you go.
And
That's
so
all you can do.
upside down.
He's upside down.
Show him how to do it, Mason.
He can't bend that far. His
I
belly's too
can't do
big.
like that.
He's too old. Look, his belly's too big. He can't bend that far.
Daddy does like that.
Yeah, you're skinny. He's not.
Tell Grandpa just to roll over his
Just
side.
squat like that, Grandpa.
Side.
Like the squatter, like Chandler does.
There he goes.
There you go.
Good shot, Mason. Good shot. Oh!
First feet.
Try it again.
One more turn.
One more.
Boom!
And then.